off-road racing is really an equalizer where when
Yeah.
you look at the physical attributes of drivers who are successful with off-road racing, they're generally not big muscular people. Like, sure, there's times where like you got to sling a 40-inch tire around or your steering's broken and there is physical fatigue, don't get me wrong, but like this is one of those sports where you in particular could overall a race.
It doesn't matter your gender, your fitness level to an extent. I think fitness is important in a vehicle because when your fitness starts to go, what's going to go next? Your mental. So as long as you don't have to even think about your fitness, then you're doing great in a vehicle, right? But yeah, it is. It's super true. And that's the one thing I love about racing four wheels. We're equals. So it's like I can drive a car just as good as you can. And you know, it's quite interesting because sometimes we're always the turtle the first 100 miles because it's a desert race. We have to think about the end, right? So I always kind of play the turtle first 100 miles. Every other male usually sends it the first 100 miles. So me and Erica just kind of sit back and watch whatever's going to unfold. We're able to, you know, maybe calm ourselves down a little bit where maybe they're so amped up and they're just testosterone out, like, let's go,
Totally.
you know, like.
No, I 100%. I can readily admit that. Like, the worst thing for me in racing is getting passed. I lose my mind and I immediately want to take back the pass. There's a lot to be said for the advantage of being a woman and not having that reaction.